Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be using the Cantu leave-in conditioner and the Cantu avocado gel. This is what my hair looks like before we got started. I already pre-sectioned and moisturized my hair and twisted it up. So here I'm just parting and getting ready to style. So starting with each section, I'm going to add the leave-in conditioner. And this is what my hair looks like with the leave-in conditioner added. Then I'm going to go ahead and detangle with my dimming brush and then add the avocado gel. And this is what my hair looks like with the gel added. As you can see, it did define my curls. Got my curls popping a little bit. Then from here we're going to be doing the braid and twist. So we're going to braid the roots and then we're going to go ahead and twist the remaining of the hair. And that's pretty much how we will be doing the entire head until we get to the front, and I will show you exactly how we will be doing the front part. As you can see, I am parting with my fingers. The parts don't have to be perfect unless you want perfect parts. But for me, I always do pretty much every hairstyle by parting with my fingers. Unless, of course, I'm going for a certain look or I want my parts to be super defined, which you'll see in the front, I do use a comb. If only we could twist our hair in a snap of a finger. Wow. Alright, now that the back is complete, we're gonna go ahead and cornrow one side of our head, like so. Please don't let nobody tell you that doing your hair is not a workout. It's a workout. And I decided to do a bang area, so I did the 2-strand twist and curl with the perm rod, and this is how I secure it. Please don't judge my nails. Click the card above to see how I transformed my nails. For the remaining of the hair, I'll be doing a few different braids. So this one will be going towards my face so that it can fall with the bang area. And then I decided to part off my hairline and do a cornrow going towards my bangs. And finally, I decided to do one more single braid and twist because my whole point for this style was to pretty much do an updo. I was not planning on wearing this hairstyle down at all. So you'll see me playing around with it, trying to figure out how I'm going to wear it once it dries. Well, do you see the vision? Do you see what I was going for? The bun is cute. I couldn't get any final shots of this hairstyle with the perm rods out. Sorry in advance, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.